This is a rainwater tank. This is 265 gallons. So there's another one right there in the other corner. And we have two more on this side. So there is like an opening here and then open and then attach the hose there. And then it has like a spout here. When it's filled up, the water will overflow in here, and it's connected to the rain gutter like that. And it's more than 5 feet tall, and then as wide as this. I'm not sure how wide, so maybe like 3 or 4 feet wide. But overall, it stores 265 gallons of rainwater. We have 4 of this in every corner of the house. If you're interested, you can get it from Home Depot. It's about $1,000 each. Look at our sugar snap peas. It fell. This one fell. So let's put it back. Fix this one to make sure that it's like sturdy. And just push it to the ground. Hopefully this doesn't like fall anymore. Same thing with this one. I'll push it more. The soil is wet, so it's easier to push it down. This one too. Make it like more sturdy since it will still continue to rain. Look at this. There's the peas. Let's check the raised garden bed. They're all happy. And they're like wet. Look at that. Blueberry bush, the flowers. And then here's the peach tree and the nectar plum over there. It's wet. Still raining. Oh, not like right now it's drizzling, but it's going to rain more. I'm preparing another Filipino brunch. Here I am cooking chorizo de Cebu, and then on this side I have a bitter melon. I'm going to make a bitter melon salad. So just like boiling this bitter melon and then adding vinegar and salt. And here I'm going to make sunny side eggs. I'm using this organic pasture-raised Vital Farms eggs. So this one I just need to drain and then add vinegar and salt. I'm using coconut vinegar. And then salt. And then freshly cracked peppercorns. Brunch is almost ready. Now I am going to make coffee. It's a rainy day. It's been raining since yesterday and it's going to rain until Tuesday, which is pretty unusual for Los Angeles. Now I'm going to make the coffee. I'm looking at the mountain. Oh no, there's no snow. These are lemons from the garden. I have a lot left that we need to harvest. We will be staying home all day, likely relaxing. It's going to be a relaxing day. We'll be home all day because it's raining. We don't want to drive out when it's raining. And then chocolate milk for Josh. I love colorful straws, paper straws. So let's check which one we're going to use in this one. Many of these straws I got from the Philippines. Some from Michael's. Maybe blue, maybe yellow or green. Maybe yellow. It's pink. Look at this pink. Love pink. That's for me. The red one has like heart. I don't think he likes that. I think that's more of a girlish thing. So this yellow. This is our tea station when we make tea. And here's our brunch. We have this bitter melon, a salad, the chorizo de Cebu, and then the sunny side eggs, rice, and the coffee and chocolate milk. Let's eat. It's going to be a relaxing weekend. A relaxing rainy weekend, right? I like it when the egg yolk drips into the rice like that. Yum yum.
I got mommy tulips.
Oh, thank you, Josh. So beautiful.
Orange
Look
tulips.
at those orange tulips. Gorgeous. Thank you, Josh.
You're welcome.
Here are the vegetables that I harvested from the garden earlier. And then we went to Josh's piano class. And then on our way home, they went to Trader Joe's. Daddy and Josh stopped by at Trader Joe's. I was just waiting on the car. And then they got this. What is this, Josh?
Orange tulips.
Beautiful, right? Gorgeous, gorgeous tulips. Let's put this on the vase. Because they got pink last time. Right, Josh? Look at these beautiful tulips. It's kind of like spring. Look at how pretty. Right? I'll get the decorations.
Yes.
So this time they got orange. Just vlog at the. Did you vlog at the store?
Yes.
He vlogged at the store, so I'm going to show some clips before this.
Hi, Daddy. And then this is the one we got for Mommy.
This is the one we got for Mommy. Nice.
It's almost springtime. 1 month to go before springtime. Spring is, I think, March 23rd or March 22nd. There you go. Look, Josh.
Wow.
Look at our tulips. Beautiful. And then now time to cook our dinner. Dinner is going to be beef soup with potatoes and zucchini. I think. Did you get zucchini, gang? I think that.
Yeah.
So with zucchini, yellow zucchini, and then these vegetables. Joy choy. Gorgeous, gorgeous tulips. The flower that symbolizes spring.